Yo, 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 what's going on, guys? What's popping? So I just wanted to show the results of a credit card client. As you can see, we can't see the date right here, but it says February 10th. Today is the 12th. So this was his score on the 10th right here. As you can see, 518, $146,000 of debt, charge-offs really. 8,000 in auto loan, zero collection, zero inquiries, right? Yo, and today being the 12th, as you can see, daily refresh. So this is like today's current date. And as you can see, no score. He has no score anymore. And we scroll down, all his debt is gone. That 146,000 gone. Experian has no collection on file as of February 12th. This is just to verify the date for you guys. Today is the 12th. So that's how this shit works, bro. Like I really just can't even believe it. I can't believe it. Like it's just ridiculous how fast and how efficient this method is. Um, so if you have any questions and you want to actually like have a conversation, get some more information on it, check the description below. I'll leave my actual business phone number where you could actually text me and we can chat it up. And if you need results like this or you know anybody who needs results like these, you can just pass in my phone number, chat. We can just jump on, have a chat real quick. And if you want to sign up, we'll get you started today. All right. Peace.